I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction log on Barclays, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Barclays website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, find and click on the Accounts tab to view your account details. Step 3. Select the relevant account. Choose the specific account you want to check the transaction log for, such as your checking or savings account. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for the transaction history or log view option and click on it to see all your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If needed, use the filter options to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. This can help you find specific transactions quickly. Remember, if you don't see the log view option, it might be under a different name like transaction details depending on your account type. I hope this helps you navigate your transaction log easily. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.